bored. Bored.
I've been learning that you guys have been playing way too much video games, so you guys should go touch some grass. Grass.
What's grass?
You see, grass is like
That's corn. I'm leaving.
we're gonna be learning about grass. And since you guys don't know what grass is, we're gonna be learning about the grasslands.
I know what grass
Master.
is.
You know what grass is? What's grass?
It's green stuff on the ground.
Now, grasslands actually cover roughly 40% of Earth's land surface and are characterized by low rainfall. Now, grasslands are located between deserts and forests where they receive moderate rainfall. Grass is good for you? Yes, it is.